such thing. You'll get nothing from me, young man. I've worked too hard in this life to let someone.
Oh, you want to end up dead?
Oh, no, please don't hurt me.
Are you fucking kidding me?
No.
Not on my watch, motherfucker.
You wanna die right now? Don't die.
Don't look at fucking, don't fucking look at me.
I'm not fucking. No, shut up. No, I'm not gonna give you anything.
Don't up your ass. You pull the trigger. You feel me not set your whole ass.
No, you're hurting me. You're hurting me.
You like that?
No, you like kicking on an older man, do you? No, please, not him. No, somebody help. Help me. Help me. God, where is anybody? Is there nobody in this fucking world to help me, for God's sake?
People like you always have fucking money. Where's the fucking wallet?
Is this the kind of shit he is?
Give me your fucking wallet. Where's the fucking wallet? Right now, where is it? Fuck you. Oh, fuck you. Did you not bring your
Do I please speak with Laird? No? Okay. No, just tell him Wade called. Thank you.
Help me, please. There's gotta be somebody hearing me. Can you hear me?
Okay.
Wow, nice suit.
Zip it, Stanley!
Oh, Jesus. Oh, that's not good. No. Oh, you're not gonna walk that one off. Oh, that's so gross. Ah, I'm so sorry. No, I spent way too long in the phone booth. If I'm being honest with myself, I probably should have just called 911. Well, none of that matters now. Because I think we're both missing the real point here. The fuck is a phone booth doing on a street corner? Didn't those disappear in 98? Suppose I could have just used my cell. Don't you think? Ooh! And Cherry Garcia ice cream. You gonna eat this? Don't answer now. Just rest. I mean, actually, I made a call. It was to the costumer. His name is Laird. He usually helps me put the suit on. I don't know how the other guys do it so quickly. Well, he probably wouldn't be dead if it was Logan. What does he got to change into? Guy wears a fucking tank top and a pair of jeans. Yeah, like to get my tank top on, bit of perspiration, have a nice little crime-fighting spree, yeah. Happy hug a koala day.